It's me, Karina, and this is a Charlotte ReStore DIY. Today, we're going to teach you how to make your very own chalk paint and use it on this chair. In order to make your very own chalk paint, you're going to need latex paint tinted in any color that you would like. We chose Habitat ReStore Blue, but you can choose a fun color that you like. Make sure there's no primer in the latex paint. That's very important. You'll need plaster of Paris, a bottle of cool water, containers to mix your paint in, stir sticks, of course, and a dust mask in case you're sensitive to dust. Plaster of Paris is dusty. Brushes, you can use foam brushes, rollers, or bristle brushes. It's just whichever you prefer. Sandpaper to distress your piece of furniture. A paint tray for your paint. And of course, a chair or other piece of furniture, which you can purchase at any of the Charlotte ReStore locations. Now that you have all your supplies together, it's time to mix the chalk paint. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to measure a 1/3 cup plaster of Paris into one of our empty containers. So just pour it in there and make sure it's even. Next, take your cool water and measure a 1/3 cup cool water in a separate empty container. Then, we're going to pour the water into the plaster of Paris and begin mixing it so it has the consistency of pancake batter. Once you've gotten your plaster of Paris mixture to the consistency of pancake batter, then you can add your tinted latex paint. So you're going to measure 1 cup of tinted latex paint into your empty container and then pour that into the plaster of Paris mixture and then stir all of that together. Now that we have everything mixed, it's time to paint the chair. So remember, you can use any brush you'd like, and once you put the paint on the chair, do smooth strokes. Also, chalk paint dries pretty fast, so try to work quickly. We've finished applying our second coat and let the chair dry. Now it's time to distress with sandpaper. You can customize your chair even further by adding another layer of paint and distressing, or by finishing it with wax or matte polyurethane or shiny polyurethane. It's your choice, just depending on the look you want for your home. And here's your final product, your very own chalk painted chair, painted with your very own homemade chalk paint. You can find chairs like this or other furniture to chalk paint at the 4 Charlotte ReStores. And don't forget, follow us on social media at Charlotte ReStore and show us your projects. We can't wait to see them. See you soon. Bye.